Blow off steam, understanding this expressive phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind a very popular phrase, blow off steam. If you've ever felt overwhelmed or needed to release some pent-up energy or emotions, this phrase might resonate with you. Let's explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Blow off steam is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of releasing pent-up energy or emotional stress. Imagine a steam engine that builds up pressure over time. To prevent it from overheating or exploding, the steam needs to be released. Similarly, people need an outlet for their stress or frustration to avoid becoming overwhelmed. When someone blows off steam, they might do something physically active, engage in a hobby, or talk about what's bothering them as a way to relieve stress. The phrase, blow off steam, originates from the early days of steam engines. These engines had a safety valve that released steam to prevent too much pressure from building up, which could lead to explosions. Over time, this mechanical process became a metaphor for human emotions and stress management. It beautifully illustrates how people, much like steam engines, need a way to release pressure to maintain their well-being. Understanding a phrase also involves knowing how to use it in context. Here are a few examples. After a long week of work, I like to blow off steam by going for a long run in the park. He was getting frustrated with the project, so he decided to blow off steam by playing the piano for a bit. Sometimes, talking to a friend about your problems is a good way to blow off steam. These examples show that blowing off steam can be achieved through various activities, depending on what helps the individual relax and de-stress. Blowing off steam is not just about dealing with the present moment. It's also crucial for long-term mental and physical health. It allows individuals to manage stress, prevent burnout, and maintain emotional balance. Finding healthy ways to blow off steam can improve your quality of life, enhance your relationships, and boost your productivity. We hope this video has shed some light on the expressive phrase, blow off steam, and why it's such an important concept in managing stress and emotions. Whether it's through exercise, hobbies, or talking with someone, finding your way to blow off steam is vital for maintaining a balanced and healthy life. Remember, it's okay to take a step back and take care of yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.